The eye of the tiger. Oh yeah. Oh hi. Rising up. Back on the streets, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah.
Hello. Man, what's tune? Okay, so. Oh gosh. Winston's toupee was out in the sun for a while. It smelled like oatmeal in a diaper. Sitting out in the sun.
That smelled like it had sunscreen on it.
But it burned.
Yeah, it burned.
The sunscreen did not. Sunscreen did not help, and that smell. Woo! Anyhow, oh gosh, Winston's favorite toupee, you know, as everyone knows, his black Elvis pompadour with the blue highlights, is gone.
Yeah, but that looks stupid on him. It was made for the king, not
Win.
Yeah.
But we were in the convertible, and it flew off and hatched on a tire, so it was long gone. So he had to wear his Elton John toupee.
That Elton John one actually fits him pretty good.
Yeah, he actually looks very nice. But he had to wear it for the remainder of the week, and then we went back to the store, and they said, well, there's no more Elvis pompadours.
Oh,
so
he was steamed about that.
Yeah. Oh, face turned red. Glass eye almost popped out.
Looked like he actually had steam coming out of him.
Yeah. Oof.
Because he's mostly metal.
Yeah, all those plates. But he had to wear a George Washington wig, and a lot of people were making fun and throwing quarters at him.
I don't see our forefathers like that. I don't.
Gosh. Oh, Winston loves to bird
like
watch.
Forefathers.
Yeah. Whoa. Winston loves to bird watch, but every time he goes out to bird watch, Mort shoots down his birds. And
he has a bird journal.
It only has
he only has two. Out of 100 pages, he has one page done.
He keeps shooting them. But
with my pellet gun and my real gun sometimes when I'm in a bad mood.
But when has even a bird stance that he uses? And only two birds. Two birds.
He was looking at one and I shot it and it fell right in his face. He really examined that one.
Yeah, he got a mouthful of boyd.
Yeah. I think I shot one of the nesties down on accident. Felt kind of bad to get, so I just unleashed more bullets.
Yeah. Oh. It was bad. Oh gosh. Winston wants to be a musician, but hun, the only thing you can make disappear is your friends and the occasional tooth.
Yeah, and yeah. And
you want to piggyback on there? Oh gosh, we went by this store, right? There was a clown sitting outside saying free cotton candy. When Winston went up to
Winston
get
just
some,
punched it right in the face.
Yeah.
It's like cotton candy, thinking it was an alien.
And the cotton candy was free anyway. He honked his red nose, punched him, stole the cotton candy, and left.
Well, we watched Killer Clowns from Outer Space like 2 days ago. I think that didn't really freeze his mind yet.
I don't know why he took the cotton candy. He's allergic. Especially the blue.
I made him allergic.
So good. Yeah, Mort. All of Winston's medical problems are all on Mort. Yeah.
Not all of them.
Like which one? Which one?
A lot.
It's no. Well, what is it called? Ugh. I can't remember.
Gingivitis.
I don't know. He has that. He has that. But
he doesn't brush his teeth.
He has this one thing.
Instead of pearly whites.
Poorly yellow. Ugh. Yeah. The occasional brown. Never mind. I don't want to talk about it.
Sometimes gray when he gets when he takes a step off the porch, some of his teeth just rattle out from the momentum from the step.
He tries to give me a kiss, and oof. No, hun. No. Oh gosh. Oh, we were by this church, and there was these nuns, right? I asked the nun a friendly little question. She snaps on me, tried to punch me in the face, and she tried to strangle me with her veil. And then she was choking me with her rosary beads.
Yeah, then I came out of nowhere and just started slapping her. She had little red hand marks all over her face.
But thankfully, the little thing around my neck looked like I was wearing pearls. So I was looking quite fancy. Everyone was asking me.
Yeah, but they were just impressions from a nun.
Yeah, but they asked me, like, where's your pearls? I said that my neck was enlarged. I got it enlarged. But I didn't. But
yeah, we're not... We almost went to a nun church. We, a nun school when we were younger. We're Jewish, though. So
yeah,
it was only a week in them because they really hated us.
Yeah. L'chaim. Anywho. What was I going to tell you?
L'chaim, yeah.
L'chaim. L'chaim. I was going to tell you. Oh, what was it? Do you remember?
No.
I told you when we were waiting for that clown, we're going to go jump him for being mean, you know. He called you a poppy seed muffin. You hate poppy seeds.
Oh, yeah.
And muffins.
Cunningham muffins are great, yeah.
Yeah, Cunningham muffins, oh gosh. Ugh. I love the newspaper one. Oof, delicious.
And the fire.
Oh yeah, the fire. Oh gosh.
And monkey. It actually tastes better than it sounds.
Oh gosh. Okay, so Mort and Win were out on a walk. I wanted them to, bond. And then
I just pushed him down the hill that was next to the sidewalk.
Yeah. Jack and Jill, well, Winston flew down the hill. Broke more than his crown.
All the little plates went everywhere.
Yeah.
I almost got hit by the shrapnel.
Yeah, shrapnel everywhere.
I think I got a little bit of metal shavings in the arm. When I pushed him, it was like a porcupine. And metal just came out of him and stabbed me a little bit. That's what I get, I guess.
And on the way home, a raccoon went and stole Mort's and Winston's favorite ice cream. And the raccoon...
I tried to stomp it. It
was Rocky Road. I mean, you can't take Rocky Road away.
And its needles just went right through my shoe.
Through the shoe. A raccoon? What's he carrying? Your ninja stars. Your ninja stars.
The porcupine. I remember trying to stomp the porcupine. I threw some ninja stars. My aim was a little off that day.
Yeah. You need to practice. Not on the Winston dartboard, though. I found that. Yeah, I found it in your closet.
The one with the picture?
Yeah. Yeah, you got him right between the glass eyes.
I'll just print another one.
You have a dartboard of him. You have a punching bag. You have your own personal poison.
Pink eye.
Called Mort's Revenge.
Pink eye.
Yeah, what pink eye will do to a poison it.
Plus, he's a lot meaner to me. After that.
How?
Well, after that and stuff, that was when I didn't revolt yet. So he was a lot meaner to me.
You two just need to get along. I mean, seriously.
Yeah.
You bonded over the Celine Dion song. You guys, you couldn't get together. You have more in common than you know.
That's when both us liked it. We didn't care about each other at that moment.
You both like to light poop on fire. You both like donuts. You guys can get along. Oh gosh. When we went bowling, Winston got stuck in the ball return. Yeah, his fingers are just too chubby to fit in the ball.
Yes. Yeah, and I laughed at him after he got his finger unstuck.
But then he got his head stuck in there, and then he tried, well, when he got out, he tried to swing, to throw the ball.
And when he just instantly got a gutter, I laughed at him so hard.
Yeah,
then
right,
when it was my turn, he hit my ball on the other lanes.
In the other lane.
I somehow got a strike, but it didn't count. It counted for the other guys. So I'm going to grab this pencil, and I'm going to shank.
No sharp objects.
Shank.
Stop.
It's a verb.
You can't shank him.
Yes, I will.
Get your sharp pencil out of here. No.
Mildred's been taking a little kung fu lessons lately.
Yeah. And I can kick your butt and you know it.
Yeah, well, I'll just run away.
I'll break your finger. Maybe your toe.
I'll run away
Maybe I'll shatter your hip. Maybe break your knee. Yeah.
No.
More